Hey guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to this Wednesday's video. As promised, and my apologies, there was no Sunday video, but that is because I was preparing today's video, which is basically a big fat thank you. So I wanted to show my gratitude for your continued support, your kind comments, the time that you spend watching my videos and the time that you spend interacting with me, whether that is here on YouTube or over on Instagram or Twitter, or any efforts that you guys are making to support the content that I'm producing and to enjoy it. I really appreciate it, and therefore I think it's time to pay it forward. As part of my 35k giveaway, I asked you guys via a poll on my channel what kind of things you think would be suitable for you guys. So I think generally my audience kind of ranges from anything between sort of 16 up to like 40 plus, so I wanted to give you guys something that would represent that. So I've decided that the giveaway itself, for which I'm going to give you the rules and the entry requirements for in a minute, is going to be a mixture of style and substance, which is very fitting. So what you're going to get, or what the winner will get, the style prize will be an ASOS voucher. Now, based on who wins it, wherever you are, it will be a voucher that you are able to use. So that voucher will be to the value of £50 or $50, or the equivalent in your local currency. So I will be giving away that, and then the substance prize will be an Amazon voucher. So again, for the same amount, £50 or $50, whatever the equivalent amount is in your currency, I'll be giving that away so that you can buy yourself some of the books that I talk about here on my channel, which there'll be a video on very soon. So £50 ASOS voucher, or $50 ASOS voucher, or whatever your local currency is, £50 or $50, or whatever your local currency is, Amazon voucher. So rules for entering: so you have to be, of course, subscribed to this channel. So if you're not already, you're already not meeting one of the entry requirements for the giveaway, so make sure you're subscribed. You need to subscribe to my blog, which I will have linked in the description box below. You need to be following me on Twitter and Instagram, and I will check. I will check. The way to enter is to obviously be subscribed and be following me on all of those channels, so my blog, my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and then comment down below and let me know what you would like the next video to be on this channel, what kind of videos you want to see. So I'll take your comment as an entry, and then I'll just enter you guys all into a giveaway, do a randomly generated draw, and let you guys know who the winner is in next week Wednesday's video. So you have a week to enter. So next week Wednesday, I believe, will be the 4th of July. So you have until Wednesday the 4th of July to enter. So to enter, again, I repeat, just comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you want to see. But in order for your entry to count, you have to be subscribed to me here on YouTube, you have to like my Facebook page, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and you have to have subscribed to my blog. So I will put all of these instructions in the description box below. But yeah, I will also put the prizes down there just so you remember what those are: Amazon voucher, ASOS voucher. And yeah, I just wish you guys all the best of luck, and thank you so much for all of your 35,000 plus of you for just being so incredible and so amazing. And I hope that you are enjoying the new content. I hope that you are enjoying the direction that I'm taking the channel in, and yeah, I just hope that you're all doing well as well. So I will see you guys in, there won't be a video this Sunday because I'm off to Barcelona, but I will see if I can squeeze in a cheeky upload before then. So I go to Barcelona this weekend, and I'll be back next week Tuesday. So I'll be vlogging bits of that, and yeah, so you won't get a video on Sunday, but if I can get a video in before then you will. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.